let's talk about the Lush Hair No Lie Relaxer. Lush Hair is a popularly known hair extension brand here in Nigeria who is really popular and known for the bright colors that of braiding extension that it began with. That was how it broke into the market. Now, Lush Hair has now released their own relaxer hairline, like the own relaxer stuff. And I'm so excited that they are going into this line of business as well, like they're incorporating this into their production. And in this video, I'll be reviewing the Lush Hair No Lie Relaxer, as I started to try out this relaxer for myself. Yes, because I've been on quite a journey of just trying different relaxers, reviewing them for your sake, so you can know the pros and cons of using these relaxers. And in today's video, I'll be reviewing the Lush Hair Relaxer, as I have used it. Okay, I just recently retouched and I used the product on my hair, so I'll tell you everything you need to know, all the pros, all the cons of this particular relaxer. And without further ado, guys, let's get right into the video. So the first things first, let's begin with the packaging of this relaxer. Okay, so yes guys, it's a sachet relaxer. Okay, it's not a kit. First thing that will first attract you to this relaxer is the fact that it is in the color pink. Of course, pink is the color of Lush Hair, their brand. But yes, the relaxer, sachet is also in the color pink, which is quite bright. And also another thing to note is that it comes sachet. It's not a box relaxer. Yes, the sachet comes in box, but it is not a single box relaxer. For instance, when we are talking about olive oil, that can lovely box relaxer, this one is totally different. This Lush Hair Relaxer is just like the Mega Growth Relaxer sachet sort of vibe. Yes, that's what you get with this. So yes, it comes in sachet. Now, what makes Lush Hair actually stands out, as much as comes in sachet, there is something that makes it stand out, which is the fact that as much as it comes sachet, it doesn't just come just as the cream base and the cream activator. Lush Hair decided to add something else, their sachet of relaxer, by putting in their neutralizing shampoo as well as deep conditioner in the same sachet line. Yes guys, so you have the cream base, the cream activator, the neutralizing shampoo, as well as the deep conditioner. So you have 4 singles and 4 sachets all merged as one. Yes, that's how Lush Hair sells their relaxer. That's how they sell it. And yes, it has comes in boxes of I think 12 or thereabout. Put the actual amount of sachets you get in a box. But yes, I didn't have to get the box because again, I just wanted to try it out. I do not know if it was my vibe, and I could not commit into buying the old box because I'm still on a trying out several relaxers. So I just decided to get 2 of the sachets, which is 2 each of both the cream base, the cream activator, the neutralizing shampoo, as well as the deep conditioner. So this is what it looks like. So like I said, I do applaud Lush Hair because of the fact that as much as it is not a single box relaxer, they still made sure that we had the neutralizing shampoo as well as the deep conditioner along with it. Okay, you guys know other brands that do their Mega Growth. The Perfective relaxer does not come with this, so this is a plus for Lush Hair for making sure that they added that, even though it was not a single box relaxer. Now let's talk about the second point of my review, which is the sizing of the relaxer. So let's talk about the sizing of the relaxer. Now, on the cream activator and the cream base, it is written that it comes in a 65 gram, that it is a 65 gram per each of it. The cream activator 65 gram, the cream base is 5 gram, while the neutralizing shampoo and the deep conditioner comes in 35 gram. Okay, so yes, that are the sizes of each of the sachets that they put in it. Now I would also now be saying if each of these gram, if it was enough, which for me, like I said, I got 2 different ones. Okay guys, I'll call it 2 parts, which means I had 2 cream base, 2 cream activator, 2 neutralizing shampoo, as well as 2 of the deep conditioner. So yes, and those were what I used. I used everything everything. Okay, so I used everything. So the cream base and the cream activator, if you just get one of this relaxer and you miss just one cream base, one activator, I believe it will not be enough for your retouching of your hair, especially even if you are retouching the new growth. But yes, I will applaud that the 65 gram is a lot, but again, 65 gram will not retouch your new growth alone. Yes, it won't retouch your new growth alone. You will need to get 2 of it. But if you are retouching your hair for the first time, get 4 to 5 packs, okay, depending on the length of your hair. Anyways, let's go to the next point. So I'll be talking about the scent of each of the products, right? Yes, the scent. So the product is said to be infused with rooibos, amla, and hibiscus oil. You guys, all these oils that they are calling, the only one I'm familiar with, well, I'm aware about amla oil and hibiscus oil, but the rooibos, I'm like, okay, this is new, but okay, if Lush says this is what they infused in their relaxer, no problem. And I was just expecting, you know, of course, the scent. I'm also particular about scent when it comes to relaxer, because I believe that the scent of your relaxer makes your relaxer routine more pleasurable and more enjoyable, if you understand. If you are someone like you're a scent person, that just helps you to enjoy your relaxer, your relaxing process. So the scent, you know, the smell and scent of this relaxer, it was not bad, it was not harsh. That's when I give it to them. It was mild, it was not harsh, like, or would I say it didn't have a impressible scent that lingered so much in my head for me to say, oh, I really like the scent. But it was not bad, it was not strong, it was not irritating. So kudos to that. At least if you couldn't give us a very scenty relaxer, at least you didn't make it hard. So that was amazing. The neutralizing shampoo too was just there. They all have scents, actually they all have. But again, these are not scents that, to me, doesn't stand out. To some other people, you might enjoy the scent, but for me, it doesn't stand out. Like, I still remember other relaxer that I would say, oh, they stand out, which is the Dark and Lovely that I would always give it to them. But for this, it doesn't stand out as much. It doesn't stand out. When you perceive it, of course, you can perceive the smell, but once it leaves, it's almost like, yeah, my memory, my brain does not register it any longer. But yeah, it's not harsh, so I give it to them. Let's now talk about the relaxer itself, which is the relaxer cream and the base. So the effectiveness on my hair, right? So when I used it on my hair, the application, what I noticed was I stayed longer than my timing that I would use for my application. Reason being, when I'm trying out new relaxer, I really just like to, sometimes it's a little bit longer than my timing of relaxing, like 25 minutes from the moment I begin to apply the relaxer, I should be done 25 minutes after I wash it off. But this time around, I actually stayed to like 30 minutes, which again was not a lot, but 30 minutes I didn't feel any tingle. But I think by the time I wanted to start washing it, I was when I started feeling tingle, and I believe it was because I started touching it and massaging it again, was when I started to feel it tingle. But it didn't tingle me at all while I was waiting for the 30 minutes duration. So yeah, this is good. And one more thing again, to just know that I got the regular. Okay, so this relaxer that I used is the regular one. I don't know the extreme, but I shall know I bought the regular, and it did not, you know, it was not funny. It didn't burn me or scratch me of any of sort. And even as much as I stayed 30 minutes, allowed the product on my hair for 30 minutes, I did not get any burn. Guys, there was no burn. There is no burn. There was no burn or anything. I didn't get any of that. So now let's talk about the neutralizing shampoo that Lush added their relaxing kit. Okay, so the neutralizing shampoo, again, 35 grams. It was actually a lot. Like, I remember that, because again, I was just like, I wanted to make sure I use just the product and finish it. I washed my hair several times. Like, the neutralizing shampoo, it was more than enough to wash off your hair, especially if you wash up your hair very well. Okay, you know, you first go in with water before you start using neutralizing shampoo. First wash off that relaxer using water alone. But yeah, the neutralizing shampoo was fine. It worked amazing well. So yeah, kudos to that. Also, Lush Hair, I'm actually just proud of you guys, because this is the first time that I know you guys are doing any hair product off. Okay, you guys, we only know Lush Hair for extension, so kudos to Lush Hair for this. Now let's talk about the deep conditioner that comes Lush Hair Relaxer. The deep conditioner, to me, I just feel that it was a bit liquidy. Yeah, it was a bit liquidy. It wasn't as thick as I would have wanted, so which meant that when I applied it on my hair and I wore my shower cap, just steam my hair for a bit, it just meant that the stuff started running down. It started running down, just like, oh my god, like I had to always cleaning my face, cleaning it from entering my eye and all of that. But yeah, what was the effectiveness of the deep conditioner, I don't know. Deep conditioner is supposed to add nutrients to the hair, but would I say I felt much of the nutrients entering? Not really. Let's not lie. I didn't really feel my hair really bounce back to its healthy stage. I didn't feel that. And yeah, I definitely would soon get and maybe use my own deep conditioner later on. But a plus to them, at least they added that. Even though I would say if you are using this relaxer, maybe mix it with your own personal deep conditioner or skip the deep conditioner and just use your own. Yeah, that's what I'll say. Lastly, what's my experience using this relaxer? Did my hair take to heat? Did my hair relax? Will I be using it again? Did my hair... Let's talk about it. Okay, so first things first is as much as it didn't burn me and all, I don't think my hair fully relaxed as much as I have seen my hair relax using other products. I don't think I really enjoy that from using Lush Hair Relaxer. So this is my hair currently right now. This is it's been let's say 6 days since I retouched my hair. No, a week right now. Sorry, it's a week already. It's been a week since I retouched my hair, and guys, it just feels like my hair feel dew. That's actually how it feels. Like guys, that's actually how it feels because like some days back I had to like style my hair in several ways because I had events to attend, and I knew I had to use my leave-in conditioner every time I needed to do any design or styling to my hair. I always had to use my leave-in conditioner on it, and normally if I relax my hair, I shouldn't still have to use as much leave-in conditioner before I'm able to style my hair. So I just feel it didn't really do so much justice to relaxing my hair, and maybe it's just my relaxer, my hair texture. Maybe I need to use the extreme, the super of it, but I think it's just the regular that is in market right now. So Lush Hair Relaxer did not really do justice to my hair. Yes, I could see that some part of my hair did slip, but one thing I even noticed was like some of these edges, it didn't really slip as such. Like it relaxed but not so much. And for instance, guys, just look at this. I even feel like this other side is way straightened than the new growth of, like, I don't know if I'm capping or I'm saying rubbish, but I even feel that the body of my hair is more straightened than the new growth. Like I still feel like I can see the curls pattern of my hair in my new growth that is supposed to be straightened out. So I don't think the relaxer actually did justice to my hair. Guys, let me do something again just so you can see what I am talking about. Guys, just look at this. Good. Just look at this, guys. Just look at this. You can still see, I hope I'll definitely zoom in this clip. You can still see like the curl pattern of my new growth. You can still see a bit of the curl pattern of the new growth. So which means it did not like straighten all the curl pattern, because that's the work of a relaxer. It's supposed to straighten out the curl pattern. So it didn't do that for me. So which means I definitely will be relaxing my hair. I won't have to wait till 8 or 10 weeks. Maybe I will try to 8 weeks, but maybe in the 6th week I will have to retouch my hair again, because yeah, the curls pattern did not loosen. My hair curl pattern did not loosen up. It didn't straighten out. So which of course you can, with all I'm saying is definitely I won't say I'll keep using Lush Hair Relaxer. I don't think it's been my fave, except maybe they change something in it, they do something, or if I find the super because like I said, I use the regular. If I find the super, perhaps maybe I'll try it out again. If I find it, I'll try it. Maybe that one will be longer for my hair texture, but this regular is not cutting it for my hair texture. It's just not doing it. And one thing I would also say again is, one thing I also noticed after using this relaxer is whenever I comb my hair, guys, whenever you comb your hair, yes, you will lose hair. Let's not even lie, you will lose hair whenever you grow your hair. But I believe that since I've relaxed my hair, I'm losing more. Like it's more than I would have assumed or like would have expected. That's the word. Because why I just tried to do this style to film this video, this is sort of wet right now. Like these are some hair, and like I said, throughout, it's like a week right now. It's actually a week since I retouched. Throughout the whole week, I needed to style my hair for different days, for different looks, and every time I was combing my hair hair strands were coming out. They were always coming out. See now, just a small one. Look at this strand. But yeah, let me comb my hair again just for you to see one strand out. You can see that one strand is out, and this is a hair that this thing did not really touch my hair a bit, like a retouch cover. It didn't retouch, because why is my hair still feeling stiff? Okay, there is no hair. Okay, the hair strand fell, because I know they say there is no hair strand right now. Jesus. Yeah, I don't think I might wait 4 weeks, except if I do like a protective style. That's when I will have to wait longer to relax my hair, because Lush Relaxer did not relax my hair. Okay, not me trying to bring out the hair strand. Now the hair strand has refused to come out, but before the hair strand was always coming out whenever I style my hair. Okay, look at them now. Okay, maybe it's at the back that I have more of the hair strands. My god, yeah, just look at that. And this is me using a white tooth comb. Like I said, the hair strand are actually falling on my body. Guys, just look at that. Just look at that. Just look at this again. So I don't know if this is because of the relaxer, or if because again my hair did not fully relax, that's why. But this is just something I actually noticed. It's not supposed to be like that when you have retouched. Like whenever I touch, my hair really retouched. When I'm combing it the following week, I don't lose sort of amount of hair, because I've had to comb my hair every day for this week, and the loss of hair that's coming out. So yeah, so will I be trying Lush Hair Relaxer again? Let me just summarize and end this video. Yes and no. No is if I don't see Lush Hair Relaxer, the super, then I will not be using Lush Hair Relaxer again. But if I see the super in the market, I might buy it, just try it and see for it. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have used Lush Hair Relaxer, please let me know. Let me know what you think. Did it work for you? What's the thing? But one thing I applaud them is that it does not burn your hair. Like even if you leave it long on your hair, it won't burn your hair. So I give it to them. Like I give it to them, at least my hair did not burn, right? Because it would have just been annoying if my hair burnt and then the hair did not relax. That would have been so annoying. But yeah, my hair did not burn. So glory be to God, just that my hair did not relax. We move. Yeah, we move. I'll use another relaxer. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click the like button. It means you enjoy the video and you like this video, and it helps YouTube to push it out to more people looking for this video. Make sure to share my video with loved ones, our friends, our family. Thank you so much. That will be the end of this video. I'll see you in my next one. Okay, let me know what you want me to review again. Any hair product, relaxer, let me know in the comment section. I'm your girl, and tell me if you've used this product, if you'll be using it, or when you do finally try it, let me know what your opinion about the relaxer is. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.